up? Did you see the news yesterday?
Yeah, it was about global warming.
What are you guys talking about?
We were talking about global warming.
Oh, but I saw polar bears dying because big glaciers are melting.
Then are there any ways to prevent global warming?
Hello everyone. The name of our group is ecoGlobal, and our presentation is going to be about global warming. I am Sarah Kim.
I am Hamid Yin.
And I am Keher.
So, what is this thing called global warming?
Global warming is a situation when greenhouse gases destroys the ozone.
An ozone is a layer of gases that surrounds the Earth, which protects us from bad sunshine that comes from the sun, which destroys our skin. It's also called the atmosphere.
Then the sunlight directly shines on the Earth because the greenhouse gases keep all of the sun's heat inside the Earth except some. The temperature of the Earth rises. Cause of global warming. Global warming started all because of greenhouse gases.
But what are greenhouse gases?
Greenhouse gases are bad gases that destroys the ozone and also keeps the heat inside the earth. They're produced by cars and factories.
There are lots of kinds of greenhouse gases, such as CO2, which is the most common source of gases, and sulfur dioxide, neutron dioxide, carbon oxide, methane, which comes from all kinds of factories, and CFC gas, which destroys the ozone. These types of gases makes climate change get worse.
How do trees help global warming?
Trees help decrease CO2 because it makes more oxygen, the air we breathe. These days, a lot of animals are dying because people are cutting down their habitats. Effect of global warming.
The country that's most affected by global warming is Antarctica and Antarctica. Because big glaciers melt, there could be a big disaster like flood, and global warming could also cause other disasters.
Once in an experiment, a scientist dissected a dead polar bear, and the scientist recognized that the polar bear ate grass, rocks, and some horse dung.
This proves that many animals like polar bears are suffering from global warming because they cannot eat the proper food. How did we help?
We helped by buying a cherry tree. We bought the tree with the money we raised at Action Day. Right now, the tree is planted in front of 5S. But how do we prevent global warming?
When you ride cars, it produces a lot of greenhouse gases. But if you ride bikes instead, it decreases greenhouse gases and also it saves energy. So to prevent global warming, you should ride bikes instead of cars.
Also, other ways like recycling paper, planting trees, and etc. could help global warming. Our group showed curiosity and creativity in our PYP attitudes.
One of our PYP attitudes that we used is curiosity.
We showed curiosity when we first started our unit because we were very interested in helping the environment. Tolerance.
While we were researching, we saw a lot of heart-touching videos. Those videos made us feel tolerance. Creativity.
We showed creativity by making a static display in a very creative way. It was a great idea, and we are all very proud of it. And our static display is right at the back over there.
In IB Learner Profile attributes, we showed inquire, thinker, and caring.
The first IB Learner Profile that we show is inquirers.
When we first started the exhibition, we had so many questions that it filled all the space in a research packet. Thinker.
We thought for a long time about the action we were going to do for global warming. We were thinking of the best way to save global warming. And we also used caring.
We showed caring for all the living creatures who were suffering because of global warming. Central idea: taking positive action make a difference.
A little action could affect the whole world. We showed it by recycling papers, planting a tree, and making recycle bins. Lines of inquiry number 1. Community organizations have a local or develop to help others. We showed this line of inquiry by planting the tree to help people or the animals that are suffering from global warming.
Lines of inquiry number 2. Community organizations can have a local, national, and a global focus. We showed local focus by making recycle bin and putting it all around the school. And we also made a poster and put it all around. And also we planted a tree for all the oxygens to go around the world.
Lines of inquiry 3. Children can make a difference through their actions. Our members are all young and we are chill adults, but we made a difference through our helping global warming.
Special thanks to Mr. Chan and Mrs. Rains, who was our mentor.
Why is it so hot today? These days the temperature changes so much. I don't know what in the world happened.
Wow, what happened to the weather? It's so hot in here. The trees are all so dry. I need to find the perfect wood to build a doghouse for my family. Oh, I found the perfect tree. Let's start cutting it.
Well, I'm part of the tree. What? What are you doing right here? Why are you cutting the tree?
Can't you see I'm cutting the tree?
Are you crazy? Can't you hear that tree screaming for help?
Ow! What are you doing? You're making my stem. Can't you see that you're making less oxygen?
Who cares? I don't care.
You were the one who said that the weather was so hot, then why are you trying to make global warming worse?
Well, who cares? No one actually stopped cutting trees, even if you say that.
Still, if you cut me down, then you have to plant another tree. Deal?
Deal.
Wow, this is such a good idea, planting another tree. Wow, my parents cut 10 trees yesterday. I need to plant 10 trees more.
Thank you for watching.